fams, good morning. It's the second day of December. Happy Merry Christmas. So I wanted to talk about what I mean by let's get the game started and the giveaway, two of them. Just those are the two things I want to talk about this morning. First and foremost, let's get the game started. If you remember in November, I told you guys that I was going to start all these games, playing games on this app, simple games like Ludo, chess, snooker, Scrabble, whatever. Just simple, mainly indoor games. Maybe we don't know, maybe for now, indoor games for now. Maybe in the future we might also go outdoor games, but for now, mainly indoor games. So our plan is to, just set up money for people, play game. If you win, you take the money, and if you lose, you don't pay anything. It's just it. So you're winning the money is gonna be on your intelligence, how intelligent you are, how good you can play. Then for the giveaway I spoke about yesterday, some of you have already dropped your account number. But the thing is that most of you that dropped your account numbers are already my people. For long, some of you have been on this platform, and I know you on my team. I know the contributions you have done, especially since it used to. So there were times now that it's growing. Before there were times it only used to be people that used to comment, like, and share. But now, sometimes I get like 200 views, 200 likes on the. So, but I know some of you that started firsthand. So yeah, I just don't want to ignore people that have been there since the beginning. So, but I don't know whether it will reach everybody. That's just the issue I'm having. I don't know whether it will reach everybody. But you see one thing, I'm definitely doing more than 2 people. But even if it doesn't reach you, if you are still here, one day someone might reach you. But I'm hopeful I'm able to give out way more than I bargained. Normally I was supposed to do 2K for 2 people, but because of the love I have for you, no, I can't do that. So even if I want to do, at least I'm trying to see, let me see how many people I can cover. So you see, I pinned down because I'm definitely gonna give you something. So for now, peace out and love you all. Have a great day.